the Mighty Micronutrients.
Welcome, tiny travelers. This is the magnificent world inside you, the Great Intestine Highway. It's a busy, bubbly place where food turns into fuel. Everything must run smoothly here to keep the whole body zooming. Guarding this superhighway is the micronutrient maintenance team. There's C, the shield expert, and D, the master builder. And leading the charge is BIOS, who has the biggest super energy boost of them all. They keep the path safe. All clear, called BIOS. But suddenly, the happy hum of the body stopped. Rumble, a giant grumpy shadow appeared. It was Chief Grumble, leading a slimy team of sludge troopers, ready to cause chaos. Chief Grumble, who was green and blobby, started to spread sticky, sluggish goo across the Great Intestine Highway. "Halt!" he roared, making the fuel slow down and stick together. "I want this body to feel sleepy and gooey." "Not on my watch, Grumble," shouted C. Zooming ahead, she deployed her sparkle shield of immunity. It flashed bright yellow and purple, pushing back the sticky germs before they could cover the whole road. While C fought the goo, the sludge troopers tried to punch holes in the walls. D quickly jumped onto the nearest wall section. With a grunt, he blasted his orange strength beams, reinforcing the structures and making them stronger than ever. The germs were stuck between C's shield and D's walls. "Now for the main event," yelled BIOS. He charged up, becoming a whirl of blue and red light, and blasted his super energy burst right into the germ crowd. Zap! Whoosh! The super energy burst broke down Grumble's grumpiness into tiny, harmless pieces. Chief Grumble whimpered, gathering his remaining dissolving sludge troopers. "We will be back when the human eats junk food," he cried, retreating into a waste channel. The intestine highway was sparkling clean, smooth, and open for business. The body let out a happy sigh of relief. BIOS gave C and D a high five, celebrating their speedy victory over the grumpy invaders. "We keep this body safe," cheered BIOS. The vitamins floated happily, ready for their next patrol. Remember, kids, eat your rainbow of fruits and veggies every day, and your superhero vitamins will always have the energy to win.
Thank you.